Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go pick up a couple of electric powered fuel tanks. We'll bring you guys along. Hope you enjoy. We have arrived on site. The old Ram 3500 carried us all the way. Got to get the chains off, get the ramps out, and then way over there is our old used fuel tanks that we're going to pick up. Here we have the two fuel tanks. There's really not too much going on here. They were disconnected. This entire property was practically leveled from a tornado. The house survived, but there was two pole barns over here that were completely just turned into splinters. And the older lady doesn't need these fuel tanks anymore, so she wanted them gone. So we're picking them up. Game plan is to just put the forks underneath of them, carry them to the trailer, see if we can get them walked off. They do have some fuel in them, not sure how much, so hopefully we can lift them. Sunk in quite a bit, so I'm just moving it back oh so slightly. Now I can actually see what I'm aiming for. Do this side one more time. There we go. Now hopefully we can just skid right underneath of it. Diesel tank captured. No incident. We'll check back in once we get it closer to the trailer. We have one of them on. I'm going to gently try to scoot it forward, hopefully, without destroying that lower bung. You guys probably don't have the best view, but it is what it is. I'm out here working by myself today. check back in once we're over at the other tank. Got that one put on the truck perfectly. Back over at the other tank. This one has some cribbing underneath of it. So I think it might go just a little bit easier. At least that's the hope. This one's quite a bit heavier. Maybe there's more fluid in it. Let's get it out away from this rock pile where we can see what we're working with. Right front corner of the tank isn't rusted off because it keeps slumping to that front right side. Not sure. And then also it looks like my this has a fuel level indicator in the top right hand corner of the screen. Looks like it may be half full, so perhaps 250 gallons worth of gasoline is in this one. What's holding us up. I'm going to try to shove my fork extension backwards real quick. See if we can get this chucked on the trailer. Slid forward on my fork extensions. I'm just going to walk it back because I'm right on the limit of what I can lift with this skid steer. I believe this New Holland C238, not 238, excuse me. I believe this New Holland C327 is a 2,700 pound lift capacity machine. We do have the weight kit on the back, but it is what it is. Probably didn't help with all the liquid sloshing around in it either. at it. Ooh. She's heavy. I think I'm just going to leave my forks right underneath of it. I don't have to fight any dunnage or anything like that. Having both fuel tanks set on, we'll go ahead, back up the skid steer, get it strapped down, tie the tanks down, get on the road. Hit that like button if you've enjoyed the video so far. We have the tanks positioned on a concrete pad we had laying around right behind the main shop. This is where they're going to sit until we get them both emptied, and then we hope to sandblast them, paint them, and make them look like new. It will be quite a nice upgrade to have the electric fuel pump versus the old gravity tank like you've seen in other videos. That should wrap this video up. Please like, share, and subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you next time.